Chat GPT, run by OpenAI, has been getting a lot of hype over the past month, and rightfully so. I mean, all it can do at its early stages is absolutely stunning and mind-boggling. I mean, look at this. It can spit out a business plan, a brand new original marketing campaign, or tell a story in just a few seconds. Chat GPT was launched on November 30th, 2022 by San Francisco-based OpenAI. The service was launched initially as free to the public, with plans to monetize the service later. By December 4th, OpenAI estimated ChatGPT already had over 1 million users. It's more than obvious that AI is here and is here to stay. A lot of people are excited about it, but a lot of people have second thoughts and are worried how this rapidly evolving technology will affect them, and particularly what impact it will have on their livelihoods and professions. And since you clicked on this video, I assume that you are one of those people. And that's why we've decided to have ChatGPT write a script for this YouTube video talking about itself and how it will take over many jobs. Obviously, I'm going to narrate over it and put some nice video editing on top of it, so in the meantime, if you decide to gently destroy the like and subscribe button, this will tell the other YouTube bots that this is a cool video and it will show it to more awesome people like you, and then boom, you just made the world a better place. Anyways, without further ado, here is what ChatGPT has to say about taking over the job market. Enjoy. Welcome to our in-depth discussion on ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and its potential impact on the job market. As with any technological advancement, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, and it also has the potential to take over human jobs and raise complex ethical questions. For those who may not be familiar, ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence that is capable of generating human-like text. It's been used for a variety of purposes, including chatbots, customer service, and even creative writing. ChatGPT works by analyzing a large dataset of text and using this analysis to generate new text that's similar in style and content to the input dataset. One of the primary ways in which ChatGPT could potentially take over jobs is through automation. Many companies currently employ human customer service and support staff to handle inquiries, complaints, and other interactions with customers. With ChatGPT, these tasks could potentially be automated, reducing the need for human employees. But ChatGPT isn't just limited to customer service and support. It's got the potential to be used in other industries as well. For example, ChatGPT could be used to generate content for websites, social media, and even news articles. This could potentially reduce the need for human writers and editors. So what does all this mean for the future of work? While it's difficult to predict exactly how ChatGPT will impact the job market, it's clear that it has the potential to take over many jobs currently held by humans. As ChatGPT becomes more advanced, it could potentially replace a wide range of workers, from customer service representatives to journalists. This may sound like a dystopian future, but it's important to remember that ChatGPT is still in its early stages. It will take time for it to reach its full potential, and there's still a chance that we could find a way to coexist with this technology. But whether you like it or not, ChatGPT is coming. And it's up to you to decide how you will adapt to this new reality. Will you resist and try and hold on to your job at all costs? Or will you embrace the change and try to find new ways to contribute towards society? Okay, pause for a second right there. Quick side note. The last sentence seems to me as if ChatGPT was implying that you are becoming obsolete and therefore should look for other ways to contribute to society, aka other ways to be useful.
Mentioned crazy time. See ya!
Okay, let's continue. The adoption of ChatGPT and other forms of artificial intelligence also raises complex ethical questions. If ChatGPT is able to perform tasks at a higher level of accuracy and efficiency than humans, should it be given priority over human workers? If ChatGPT is used to automate customer service and support, what happens to the human employees who are displaced? These are difficult questions that will require careful consideration as ChatGPT becomes more widespread. It's also important to note that Chat GPT is still in its early stages and it will take time for it to reach its full potential. In the meantime, it's important for you to stay up to date on the latest technology and be proactive about learning new skills. This will help to ensure that you're able to adapt to the changing job market and remain competitive in the face of technological advancements. But even with these considerations in mind, it's hard to deny the potential impact of ChatGPT on the job market. As with any technological advancement, there will be winners and losers. Some workers may be displaced by ChatGPT, while others may find new opportunities in industries that are created or transformed by this technology. Ultimately, the impact of ChatGPT on the job market will depend on how it's adopted and used by companies and individuals. It's up to you to decide how you will adapt to this new reality and to find ways to coexist with ChatGPT and other forms of artificial intelligence. That concludes our in-depth discussion on ChatGPT and its potential on the job market. We hope you found this discussion to be informative and thought-provoking. Thank you for watching. So there you have it, ChatGPT talking about its potential to take over many jobs now that it's only 2 months old. But with the current speed of technology advancements, imagine in how many other job sectors humans will no longer be necessary. I don't want to be the messenger of bad news here, but it all makes sense. Think about it. These huge companies and corporations, they want this AI technology to replace humans and automate everything as soon as possible. Why? Well, for one, it makes less mistakes than a human. It can work 24/7, it doesn't take vacations, doesn't get sick, and most importantly, in case you didn't realize this before, you are an expense for the company. Yes, your salary is one of the biggest expenses for a company, so why wouldn't they look for ways to replace you?
I'll get another job.